Hello and welcome back. I've got another small little repair to do on another disc cutter. It's just a pull cord, so it shouldn't take too long. I'll run through how I do it, and I'll just show you. It's nearly gone, but it needs to be done, so get it done. You can see it's all the outer cord's gone, and just the inner bits now, just still attached. So it's actually, I don't think you can actually pull it over now. That'll get in. Yeah, it's gonna go. Okay, first thing to do, take the side off. It's these 4 little bolts. Let's take out. Okay. Here's the recoil. Still just about working. So 2 screws here. Takes this little plastic plate off. Yeah, we'll unwind let the spring tension go, and then take the old cord out and go from there. This little slot here, if we line that up around here, we can get the cord in that slot and we can untension it. Line it up there. So I've got the cord now. That slot in the reel. Okay, the tension off it. Undo this screw here now, and we can take this off. Here's the spring, which goes around and loads up the recoil. Now I'm going to cut off the old cord. Okay, so we need that bit in a minute. So I'm going to pull the old cord out now. And that threads through there and out through that hole. Okay, I've got some new cord now. This is really good stuff, nice and strong. About 70 centimeters should be good enough. So there's a new bit of cord. So I'll start by threading it. Through the hole, and we get the pointed pliers inside. Through. Now we want to put a knot on one end of the cord. Again, there's enough still showing, so when it's back together, it doesn't undo. Make sure that's nice and tight. There we go. That sits out of the way. And we can wind that around a few times. Next thing I'm going to do is just take out the spring. I just took these 2 screws out already. so I can line up this part of the spring to the reel. And there's the spring. It's all wound up in there. So line up this little catch bit there. Slot that into there. Okay, that's ready to go back on now. Just slide that back in. 2 screws to go back in to hold the spring in place. And we can put the centre bolt in, what holds the recoil together. Now we've just got to put the cord back out through the hole where the pull handle is. Okay. Now get the old handle, pull the old cord out, and thread the new cord through. And I'm going to put another knot on this end of the rope, same as before. Make sure it's nice and tight. There we go. Now we're to reload the spring. Get the cord in the groove. I'm going to do that one more time. Now as we wrap it around and reverse the spring, take out the slot, release it, and it pulls the cord back in. These slots here line up with the 2 springs. These 2 catches engage to turn the engine over. I like to just put a bit of WD-40 just on that screw, just to help it. Not too much. I don't want to attract too much dust when it's running. Just so it helps it, keeps it running freely. So now we've just got to put this plate back on. Just those 2 screws to do up, and we can put it back on. Sometimes you might just have to put it over a little bit so it lines up and engages. Okay, now we can put the 4 screws back in. Four. Okay, ready for a test. Okay, that's all back together. Nice and good. Let's start her up. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy my videos, and we'll see you next time.